back to my channel. Hope you're all doing good. To the new ones here, I'm Swati and my channel is called Swati Lovely Life. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure you're subscribing to my channel and then hit on the bell icon to be notified of the latest videos that I upload. So yes guys, a very happy Navratri to one and all out there. Happy Navratri once again. So today I am here to swatch one of the most sorted out lipstick mini pack. This is from Stickworky and it is one of the most famous brand these days, I could say. Yes, I was just going through what best I could get for lipsticks a few months ago, and that's when I came across this particular mini lipstick pack, because we all know, right, we hardly finish off our lipsticks, so it's very important that it's always better to get something for a lesser price. Yes guys, more than lesser price, it's all about more quantity. Who in the history has ever used a complete lipstick? Tell me. It's something that it's always, there is a shelf life of maximum 2 to 3 years for every lipstick, after which you're supposed to discard it, and always it's only the lips that you apply the lipstick definitely. So it's very little of that content that is getting used, and we want to try a variety of colors, not just like a foundation or some basic things that we have, but lipsticks are like, we want to try out so many different colors, different brands, so it's always a lot of things. So yes, I got this Stickworky lipstick. I'm going to swatch them for you. Let's see how it is. It's the MRP of this is yes, the MRP is $3.99 and it's always on a discount. You will definitely get it for around $349, and the shelf life for this, friends, is 3 years, which is really a lot. And you get 2 shades of color. You get 12 shades of this color, which is a lot, really a lot. 12 shades includes more of pinks, reds and browns. So in this broad daylight, I'm going to swatch them on my lips as well as a hand swatch. Okay, I'll swatch it here maybe. Yeah, I will be transferring my bangles to my this hand, and then we can swatch it easily. And I'm going to take my watch. So what to do, guys, it's a festive season and we all love to, it's the only opportunity we get to dress up, to look good. Who wants to miss that opportunity, right? See, it's so beautiful. So yes, I'm going to swatch these lipsticks on right over here so that you can see the hand swatch as well as the lip swatches. My shade that I'm going to swatch is called as My Kisses Are the Bullets. Wow, amazing name again. And it's the kit number 3. I guess you have 6 kits like this, and I chose more of reds and browns. So this is the packaging. It's so cute and easy to store. You don't have to search for extra space to store this. And yes, the expiry date, all of this information is mentioned here as well, which is really good. And it's quite it's not a very sturdy package, so it's not so travel friendly if you are going to take the whole kit with you somewhere, because it might just open and your lipsticks might be everywhere. There are chances, guys. And so yes, I will start swatching one by one. Right now on my lips I have the NYBay Argan Oil Infused Lipsticks. Yes, that's what it is called. Review on shades later, guys. So I'm going to remove that. Yes. And it's just going to start with the lipsticks from the brown color. This is called Won't Bend Over. It's the Won't Bend Over shade number 77. This is how the lipstick looks. Let me tell you guys, the lipsticks are not retractable. It just comes like this. The chances of breaking is more here. Recently when I was using one of these lipsticks, they just broke. The second thing is, I don't know if you will be able to see it. The lipstick, when you close or open it, there are high chances of getting into this lid, which is a sad part, of course. But anyways, what else, what more could you expect for the price that you are paying? The price that we are paying is anyways a lot, right? I mean, not a lot. So yes, so for the price we are paying, of course, we are getting a good deal. So I'm going to first swatch this shade number 77, Won't Bend Over. Oh my god, it's already about to break. Can you see that? Be very careful, guys. Yes, guys. This is a lip shade on my lips. It's very creamy. I won't say it's a matte lipstick. It's a creamy lipstick, and it's very pigmented. I like it formulation, but it is not transfer proof. Can you see that? It is not transfer proof, and hence it is not smudge proof as well. See that? So I'm going to hand swatch this color for you guys. See, this is a shade. It's complete brown shade with a few shimmers, I could say, and this literally is broken already, and the biggest task is to close this off, but anyways, it's okay. The next shade we are going to try is another brown color shade. This is called the Rub Me the Right Way, shade number 70. So yes, I'm going to apply this now. Oh my god, literally guys, all my lipsticks are just breaking off. Just like I told you earlier, there are high chances of this breaking. Okay, so this is the shade. This one is also quite pigmented. It is not a matte lip. None of these are matte lipsticks, guys. All of them have some shimmer in them. They are creamy in texture. So this is how the lipstick is. And let's continue. Oh my god, I forgot the hand swatch. So this color is a little lighter than the older one. If you could see that. Yes, that is shade number 70, Rub Me the Right Way. The next shade I'm going to apply is called the Erotic Secret Message, shade number 19. This is also a nude shade, it's a brown shade. And let me tell you guys, when I created this makeup look, I have used this lipstick as a contour. Yes guys, this is the shade. And this is the swatch. So yes guys, let's move on to the next shade. The next one is a brown again, and this shade is called shade number 52, Invite Me to Bite You. Oh my god, I must tell you, Stay Quirky has such quirky names. They always have quirky names. And yes, here I am applying the next shade of the lipstick. I'm really scared of breaking this or getting it into the lid, seriously. Yes guys, this is more of a nude shade. See that? It's complete nude shade. I like the shade, and this is how it looks on the bare skin. I'm just trying to shoot this video in broad daylight. This is the third time I'm shooting this video, guys, because the last two times it didn't come. Once the video was shot, I felt that the light is not enough, because whenever you shoot this lipstick swatches video, right, I believe that enough of light should be there so that anybody gets to know what the exact colors are. The reason even I watch lipstick swatches is because I want to know what this particular color looks like on a person, rather than I don't know. I have got a lot of apps. I've seen a lot of apps that have the try on option, but the try on option never seems right to me. Seems right to me in the sense I see something else when I try it on the app, and when I get it, it looks like something else. Has it happened to you? Please let me know. So this shade I'm applying is a Cardinal Urges, shade number 63. This is a color, guys. It's again a nude, a brown color with sort of, I think, light orange undertone. And yes, this is a swatch on my hand. This is it. This is the one. So yes, guys, that is one of the colors. I just like this nude colors. It's all nice. Here I'm with the next shade, which is shade number 41, Despalipo. Wow. And this is a very strong maroon shade, I could say. It's not a brown one. Yes guys, this is a strong maroon shade, and this is how it looks. My puff just fell down from this, it's okay. So yes, that is the next shade guys, and it's a very strong shade, if you could see. And here we go with the next shade. It's a shade number 2, Snog Me as an Animal. So let's try Snog Me as an Animal shade. Yes guys, this is a strong red shade, and it's not a strong red shade. Yeah, it is. And this is how my lips looks after I apply this. Yes, now let's go to the next shade. So many shades to swatch, right? This is a red color with a pinkish undertone, shade number 48, and this is called Stolen Kisses. See that? It's a red color with a pinkish undertone, guys. This is how the shade looks on the lips. I must tell you guys, my lips are already burning. They are feeling swollen, but still. And I have 4 more shades to go. So let's go for the next shade. It is called Hickey Special, shade number 13. And this, I feel guys, is maroon with a pink undertone, maybe. That's how I could best explain it. This is how it is. It's a very maroonish color with a pink undertone, sort of a color. See that? That is shade number 13. Now let's go to shade number 14. This is shade number 28. I'm sorry. It's called Horny Damsel. And broke it again. It's all a mess guys, especially if you're getting ready somewhere. Sometimes this could be a mess. It's a red with an orange undertone. So this is how it looks like. Yeah, this is deeper red than the first red that I showed you, right? And now we are here with the second last swatch, shade number 37, Selectively Misbehaving. I like this shade, I don't know, but I like this shade. It looks good, right? I love it. And this is how it looks. And final shade for the day, guys, is this one, shade number 32, Built to be Famous. Yes, Yes guys, this is the shade. It's a very 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 bright red. The most brightest red shade you could find is this. It's very beautiful. It's sort of a red carpet red in the shade Built to be Famous. It's nice. Awesome, amazing, right? So tell me guys, which was your favorite shade? How did you like this shade? And if you have watched the video till here, haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please guys make a point to subscribe to my channel. Your subscription means a lots to me. Yes. That's it for today guys, and until my next video, take care, bye bye, love you all.